Hi, my name is Aditi and today we are going to talk about trends that can make your home look expensive. One thing that I have observed as an interior designer is that if you're one of those people who throw a lot of parties or have a lot of people over, be it your relatives, your friends, your colleagues or even your friends of friends, you need to have a house which is on trend at all times. So today I'm going to give you some pointers or let's just say tips to have your house not only look trendy but expensive as well. Because come on, no one wants to spend money and still have their house look cheap. Before we talk specifics about what color to choose or what furniture to go for, we need to jump right into the first thing that you need to take into consideration to have a trendy and expensive looking house, and that can be achieved by treating each room as a blank slate. So let's get started. Take note of the pre-existing features in your home that you can highlight. Architectural details such as hardwood floors, built-in bookshelves and mosaic tile backsplashes are all worth focusing on. These details don't look expensive, but trust me when I say that they are. Make them as prominent as possible. Keep them clean, clutter-free and the focal point of the room. For example, don't splurge on an expensive painting just to have it compete with a TV unit. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have just crossed a 50 subscriber mark and now we are aiming to get a even 100. So if this is the first time that you're watching our video, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get back to the next point, which is to pick towels that you're actually excited to use. It's time to get rid of those dingy old bath towels. Discolored whites and bleach-stained colors make your space look dirty and cheap. Proudly display crisp white, fluffy towels like the kind you would find in a fancy hotel or spa. This will immediately trigger a feeling in your guests and they will feel like they're in a luxurious space. Throw pillows are an easy way to accessorize and brighten a room, whether you buy them or make your own. Homeowners should throw out their older pillows and replace them with bright, fuller pillows or just buy new, crisp pillow covers. Mix and match colors and textures and blend different groupings. But more is not better. There can be too many pillows, so make sure that you don't go overboard. If your walls are bare, besides the occasional artwork, consider adding molding to the baseboard or ceiling. It doesn't even have to be gaudy, Victorian style molding. A simple and single shape, single depth piece molding will do the trick. From family photos to DIY art, framed works can make a house feel like a home. Before mounting any artwork, you need to figure out where your artwork needs to go and the proper way to hang it. Make sure that the art that you select is of the right size and scale for the wall that you're decorating. And remember, you don't need artwork on every empty wall. If you feel creative, a great way to get inexpensive artwork is to create your own. Head to your custom craft store. There you can find everything that you need to create a beautiful canvas or framed custom artwork. Magazines are a great source of home decorating ideas and inspiration for how to accessorize a room. However, you need to shop around for a budget-friendly version of anything that you like in a design magazine. Accessories vary significantly in cost, but if you're looking for a great deal, there are plenty of home stores that offer great discounts. The key to making any piece, from bookshelves to kitchen cabinets, look custom is to have them fit in your home perfectly. The easiest way to achieve this look is to have them extended all the way from floor to the ceiling. A bookshelf that spans an entire wall will almost always look more expensive than the one which stands alone. Luckily, with a bit of forward planning, this project can be tackled within 1 or maximum 2 weeks. A quick and easy way to decorate on a dime is to update your old fixtures, especially in the kitchen. Knobs, handles and light switch plates are small, inexpensive details that give your home a high-end sheen. Your eyes and the potential buyer's eyes will be tricked into thinking a space is larger than it actually is with some sneaky mirror placements. Large mirrors will reflect the room back, making it appear more spacious, in some cases even twice its actual size. If a dated light fixture or piece of furniture constantly makes you groan, trust me when I say this, you need to get rid of it. The project doesn't need to break your budget. I mean, drab walls can be easily painted and outdated hardware and doorknobs can be inexpensively replaced. Area rugs can easily transform a space. They help ground furniture groupings, define rooms and add more interest to an area. It is recommended that all of your furniture sit on an area rug, but at the very least, make sure that the feet of your furniture are touching a portion of your rug. Lustrous wallpaper adds a dimension to an otherwise flat area. Go for just a hint of shine with a semi-gloss or luster sheen to keep it classy, not gaudy. Stick to simple neutral or semi-neutral colors, but look for a paper with a hint of shine so that the light can bounce off of it. When in doubt about the paint color, always go for a classic neutral. Colors like beige, grey and yellow will always look fresh and on trend. What's more is that they pair well with everything. Limit bold accent colors to accessories and you'll never have to repaint an entire room because a bright color choice got to be too much. If neutral colors aren't your thing, bold colors can scream elegant with a bigger punch. Deep hues with shiny finishes are the way to go. For example, a deep navy wall with gold and purple contrast within the decor can exude a glamorous energy that for sure can feel luxurious. As an interior designer, what I have learned from my experience is that you need to coordinate everything. Certain stains and finishes play well with others. For example, cherry wood marries well with oak and hickory tends to work well with almost everything, but the vast majority does not. If you're looking to match your floor to your cabinets or your faucets to your doorknobs, go for an exact match or make real contrast. Aim for at least 3 shades, either darker or lighter. An almost match has the tendency to look cheap. Dining room tables, standout rugs, chandeliers and sofas all have the ability to upgrade a home's sense of luxury. Identify a few key pieces that you see and use often, especially if they're the ones that are visible from several other rooms, and decide if it makes sense to budget for a splurge. If you decide it's a go, choose colors and fabrics that are easily cleaned and not easily stained or destroyed. This is it for this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.